about to start another project. We got the whole bathroom ready for it, everything covered. Just basically gonna fix that leaking shower. Basically just gonna remove all that tile and then see how bad it is underneath. Well, as you can see, we removed all the tile, and the first thing we noticed, the entire shower was installed on the right on the drywall, and there was vast amounts of mold underneath. Like, I haven't seen that much mold in a while. Basically, the guy did the liner 2 feet above the shower floor, and I don't know why, but he got another layer of drywall underneath it. So I'm just worried what else we're gonna find out. Oh boy, that was a tough one to remove. Well, the person that did the shower had no idea what he was doing. As you saw earlier, the rubber liner was 2 feet above the shower floor one side and 3 inches on the other side, which doesn't make a lot of sense. But the worst thing is that he nailed that rubber liner on the very bottom, like 1 inch above the plywood, so the shower was leaking in several places. And the shower seat had no waterproofing membrane on it at all, and it was completely saturated with water, and the cover with a layer of black mold. Several layers of plywood had to be removed that he used to slope the shower, and the shower drain was relocated to the center and a new waterproof pre-slope pan installed. A pre-slope shower pan prevents water from accumulating in the rubber liner. This shower drain sits about 1/4 inch above your shower floor, and let's say your shower floor is 1/4 inch about out of your level, and that means your shower pan liner would always hold at least 1/2 inch of water in it. And some people wonder where that funky smell comes from. The way I do my pre-slope pan, I will start with leveling the area around the shower walls with about inch thick concrete that slopes toward the drain. I also use fiberglass mesh and a coat of thin set to bond your pre-slope pan with the shower drain, and 2 coats of waterproof membrane. This limits any movement in your shower floor and prevents your shower pan from cracking. In case of shower pan liner failure, you have another waterproof layer that is sloped and bonded with the drain. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video.